Introducing Invideo Studios, the innovative app that revolutionizes the world of video creation and editing. With its cutting-edge features and user-friendly interface, Invideo Studios empowers both amateurs and professionals to unleash their creativity and produce stunning videos with ease. Whether you're a social media influencer, a small business owner, or a budding filmmaker, Invideo Studios offers a wide range of tools and resources to bring your vision to life. From dynamic transitions and eye-catching visual effects to seamless audio integration and precise timeline editing, this app has it all. Invideo Studios takes video editing to new heights with its intuitive controls and advanced capabilities. Trim, crop, and merge clips effortlessly. Enhance your videos with filters, overlays, and text animations that add a touch of flair. And with its vast library of pre-designed templates, you can quickly create professional-looking videos in no time. Say goodbye to complicated editing software and hello to Invideo Studios. Get ready to unlock your creative potential and captivate your audience with breathtaking videos that leave a lasting impression. Download Invideo Studios now and witness the power of limitless video editing possibilities at your fingertips. I basically just put this into the script and had video make the video all by itself. I hope you like it and find time to subscribe.